The fight over abortion rights continues in Michigan. The state has responded to a lawsuit seeking to overturn Proposal 3.
Just a refresher, that's the 2022 ballot proposal that was approved by nearly 60% of Michigan voters. Elise joins us with the latest. Elise.
Yeah, we talked to Attorney General Dana Nessel this afternoon. The Attorney General says not only is this a health issue, but a concern for democracy, with over 2 million Michiganders voting for Prop 3.
They're hoping that, the judge will issue a restraining order and not permit, Prop 3 or the constitutional amendment to be in effect.
She says today the state filed a motion to dismiss the lawsuit that was brought by Right to Life Michigan and other organizations, meeting the deadline to respond. The complaint was filed against Governor Whitmer, Nessel, and Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson. It seeks to overturn Proposal 3 with a declaration saying it violates fundamental rights under the U.S. Constitution, along with a court order to cease the implementation and enforcement of the law and an award of attorneys' fees and costs. Nessel says even though in 2022 the legislature repealed Michigan's 1931 law that made abortion a felony with no exceptions for rape and incest, there are no guarantees abortion would remain legal.
It leaves open the fact that this could be further litigated, or that a new legislature could come in as early as 2025 and outlaw abortion again. Which all it takes is like one election. We're always one election away from losing our fundamental rights.
Now, her concern is that Michigan could become like other states with abortion bans in places she describes as being desolate of proper care for mothers because doctors face legal consequences for providing certain care and choose to leave those states.
There are real world repercussions for those bans on abortion. We are not seeing those same dire sets of circumstances here in the state of Michigan. But if we lose this case, all those things could happen here. And that's a very scary set of circumstances.
Now, if the judge grants the state's motion, Right to Life can appeal to the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals. If the judge denies the motion, the case moves forward and it will be in federal court in Western Michigan. I did talk to Right to Life over the phone. They sent us a statement saying the U.S. Constitution expressly protects the right of the people to enact public policy through their duly elected representatives. Here, proponents of unrestricted abortion used a process where out-of-state citizens spent millions of dollars to unconstitutionally bypass Michiganders' right to democratic representative governance. Prop 3 unconstitutionally deprives parents of their right to direct the upbringing and education of their minor children by excluding parents from decisions regarding the education and medical treatment of their children involving things like abortion and gender reassignment.
Okay, thank you, Elise. And Michigan's Proposal 3 followed the Supreme Court's overturning of Roe v. Wade, handing the abortion debate over to individual states.